template. Now?
Yes, now.
Yeah, okay.
It's recording. Again, it's going to be multiple videos.
Thank you. Using the base as a template, I'm going to come away about 1/8 of an inch to give it some stability. And then we'll make a little mark. And then the measure of the center of the desk, in this particular instance, is 30 inches. So our hole, we want to have
Oh, I know what it's doing wrong.
about 1 inch from the back. Inch and 1/8 gives us just what we need for offset. And that's where we will drill our hole.
Perfect spot.
That's where that bracket will go with the base. Just like that. Now I'll get the drill.
Here's our supervisor for the project tonight. His name is Samson. And he's out here making sure that we're doing all this right, according to the instructions. Okay, so we're switching gears here due to technical issues with the drill. We're now going to technical issues. We'll leave it at that. We're now going to do the clamp mount. As there's no issues underneath the desk for any steel or anything in the way, the clamp mount should actually work. So we've got Tim here working on putting in the screws and securing the base to get that started. Love those Allen wrenches.
Yeah, it's nice they included them. These are really well engineered. This is cool.
So we've got the base attached to the clamp. Now we're going to add the clamp.
Slides up over the
Slides up
tang.
so you can actually position it.
You adjust the tang height.
For what you need.
Whatever you need. It's cool.
So it kind of depends on the thickness of the desk that you're attaching to, I would imagine.
And they're heavy duty clamps.
Loving the clamps.
Excellent.
All right, well, supervisor over here is sitting down on the job. He was sleeping.
All right.
But his ears are up and he's now paying attention.
Put the pad in place.
Got the pad in place.
Let's make the center again.
Cover up those ugly marks.
You won't see them. Now these will slide up on the tang like this.
There you go.
Until they come to the right point. And then you've got the right distance rather. And you can
then screw
run
tight.
the clamp right up there. Let's see how that works. There's about the center. Pads in place.
Nice and secure, tight, snug. There goes the second one. Again, nice and tight and snug. So once that's all done, you can try and move the base here, see if it moves at all. Still tightening up. We'll be right back for the next step. All right, he's going to give it another shake. Make sure that the coffee cup is secure on the table. Not quite sure what's in the coffee cup, but you know, hey, good stuff.
Late in the evening. All right.
All right, next steps. We'll be right back. Okay, so first extension arms have been mounted and are on. They're swiveling back and forth.
Very nicely, extremely nicely. Now we'll get a something to lay down for the monitor.
Yes, we'll be right back. We're going to put a
Start mounting the monitor on.
We'll be right back. So we've got my Dell 27-inch monitors. There are 2 different screw sizes in the packet, which is really kind of awesome because some monitors require different. We found the smaller screws in this packet to be the one that fits the back, so we're using the washer and the screw, tightening it up into the back of the monitor.
Original screws were too short.
Yeah, the original screws that came out of the monitor, here they are. A little bit too short for what is needed for the monitor, so having them the correct size supplied is awesome.
Saves a trip to the hardware store.
Alright, so monitor number 1 is ready. Almost. I love my monitors. My company loves me.
We'll be taking a break to put the cords in, and we might show how those go in at some point too. Let's see how we do here. Okay, I gotta back that.
That should just snap down into place.
There we go.
There we go.
There's one.
Number 1 complete.
Oh, look at that. Fantastic.
Need to figure out how to tilt forward and back. I think that's go back.
Back?
There, look at that. Look at the range. That's awesome.
Almost serve coffee on it.
Not on that monitor. You're not serving coffee or drinks. All right, so monitor number 2 is coming up. So here we go for monitor number 2. Installation is going very easy, it flows. Instructions are great. See, look how that monitor sits on that arm. It's so pretty. So we're going to make sure that all the screws are nicely tightened up. And we'll get monitor number 2 installed. Yep, supervisor's lazy. He's like bored. Samson, say hi.
No thumbs, I got no thumbs.
There you go.
No, give me any
All right,
tools.
so here goes monitor number 2. Should just easily slide on and snap right down on there. Single.
Oh man, look at that.
That might be actually advantageous to me with all the open windows that I have to have at work. And have at least like 1, 2, 3 windows going on that screen now. That's awesome. So installation is actually on this really super easy.
Now we'll start putting the cords in and hiding those in the arms, which I love that feature.
Yeah, so will I.
From having them bundled up on the outside of the arm.
So we're going to take a bit of a pause here, and we'll be right back. So here is where the cords go.
Makes cord management much easier doing it like this.
Yeah, they're not dangling all over the desk. And I have desk space back. I can hardly wait, seeing I do have to work tomorrow morning.
I'll get this all fired up at the nick of time.
So we now have all the cords on this monitor. They come up through here. Pardon my hands, trying to figure this out. Come up through here and then down underneath there.
Very nice.
So makes it look all nice and neat. We're working on the other one. So the bottom of it has been taken off down here. Top one is coming off. To where,
just need to have the
and then the power cord and the HDMI cord are going to be going up through there like they are here. We'll be right back.
This is too cool.
All right, guys, here we are. The cord, I mean, yeah, I have a Thunderbird deck over there that is, don't have a choice for cords, but all the cords going up to the monitors are all streamlined. It looks fabulous. Still gonna have cords on my desk because I have a head charger that needs to be charged and a keyboard. We are looking at, I'm trying to step my way back here. Repositioning. Tim's playing with positions with the arm now. You can push it down. You can push them closer together. Can you put them closer together?
Sure. How do you want them?
Put them. Bring it down and see how close you can get them together. That's what I'm looking for. So I'll play with these tomorrow morning when I get in for work, and I love working from home. So this looks to be absolutely awesome. I can swing the arm out the other way, bring the monitors so they're closer together, have one higher, one lower.
This is a wonderful set.
This looks awesome. Absolutely love it.
Well engineered and smooth operation. We haven't even had to adjust the arms. I imagine if we had heavier monitors, we might have to, but they're perfect the way they are. They're just fabulous.
That's looking awesome.
Yeah. Excellent product. Absolutely excellent product.
There you go. Install is complete. I just need now to get my desk put back together. I have a lot more room in which to do that now. Thank you so much. This is an absolutely fabulous product. I'm gonna have Tim supply me your website and stuff. I'll go put comments out there myself. Looking forward to my work week. Much better. Thank you. Tim says bye.
Hey guys, just here to do a quick review of this monitor mount. These are two 34-inch ultra wides. They are both curved. There is an older one here by LG that's 19 pounds and it does support it. Overall, I really like this product. This is something I've been looking for a very long time, a monitor mount that can support two 34-inch ultra wides that's at a reasonable price, as well as the feature that is a gas piston monitor mount, I believe, which helps with the versatility of it. It can move around a whole lot more over something like this one, which is fairly fixed in place. There's not a whole lot you can do with it, but it does support it high up. Yeah, overall, I'm very, very satisfied with this product. There are only a few little quirks with it that I would like to point out for anybody who might want to be purchasing this. The first thing is that if you want to have a desk very close to a wall with your monitor mount right up against it, you will have some issues with the back of the monitor mount bumping into the wall. And if you have a situation kind of like what I do here with the monitor in the corner, you won't actually be able to get this second monitor close to the wall. Now, keep in mind, these are 34-inch ultra wides. They're quite large, so this might not apply to somebody who might be using like a smaller 27-inch monitor that's your standard 16:9 as opposed to the 21:9 that I have. Other than that, everything works fine. As you would expect, the height adjust and everything else for the monitor works perfect, so you can pull them out and it will support it all the way fully extended. There's no issues with sagging. It doesn't tilt or anything. The vertical raise lower will allow you to get it, I mean, almost ridiculously high off the table, but you have the option if you need that, or I mean, you could even turn this into a standing desk, technically, I think, if you wanted to, with just lifting the monitor up. So that's pretty much it. There's no complaints here. The price is really good. The product was fairly easy to install. I would recommend actually getting some longer cables so you can route them and Velcro them to your straps, so you can keep that versatility without having cables being snagged. If you have a setup like me with a computer on the desk, you can route them down to the back of the monitor mount and under the table over to your computer. So that's all I got. Thanks.
So I'm trying to adjust the gas spring, and as you can see, this is where you install the Allen wrench. The problem is the way the arm is extended. When I try to put the angle, the Allen wrench in there, it doesn't flush. There's a piece of metal in the way because of the way it's angled. You see what I'm saying? I need to have it more like at a 90-degree angle, but because this metal's in the way because of the way the arm is extended, I'm unable to get the Allen wrench in, and this goes for both arms. So I don't know if there's another way. I don't think adjusting the monitor arm should be this difficult, but I hope HUANUO gets back to me and can help me troubleshoot this.
It fit nicely. It's really good. Metal. Very good quality. Very easy to move this monitor around too. Really nice.
So you can't get the hole in here. Put it like that.
No se mira. La tele nomás se mira.
And use a little muscle. So I have this. To do this. See how now you can see the hole now? You have to use a little bit of muscle.
Dude, these rock.
Right here, First County, Cobb County, performing just like we're finding is slightly better. Fulton County performing a little bit lower, but slightly. There's still 7% of the vote out. Fulton, where Atlanta is exactly. Gwinnett County,